are on our way up to Banning State Park in northern Minnesota. What are we doing up here?
Looking at the fall colors.
Can you see this? Look out the window over here. Can you see all the different colors?
They're so cool.
Yeah, we are going to be camping. We're going to try to get Emily some good pictures and basically just get outside.
Enjoy the weather before it gets freezing in Minnesota.
Exactly. Alright, so we are here at the park. Like, look at these colors. It is absolutely beautiful. Em, look down that road.
I know.
Ready to go? We got to the park and we had to really look for a parking spot because it's
Really busy.
Yeah,
it's really busy here.
But as you can see around us, the colors are
It's
awesome. Emily's really excited to get out and get some pictures. Hopefully we can find a spot away from some people along the river here. We have the Kettle River, which is a really cool place, like whitewater rafting for kayaks and stuff. Oh, there's a little chipmunk right
Where?
there. Right down in there. See him? On the ground right here.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, it'll be a pretty cool place. It's sprinkling, but under the trees, I barely feel any rain or anything.
I think the rain adds to it. I think
It's definitely a mood.
Yeah.
So let's finally go hiking. I know you've been waiting for it. So. You want some glasses?
No. They would fit me.
See, and it's worth it. Look at this. Coming? Oh. Doing it one-handed. If I fall, it's your fault. See, if this wasn't wet and rainy, this would be fine. But it's wet and rainy. Oh, you're in the water. Okay, so this is a perfect example of a pothole, and you can see here, there's all these rocks and stuff down here. So when this layer was underwater, what happens is you get eddies and strong currents that spin around. It basically makes these rocks a drill, and so it drills into this hard stone and carves perfectly round holes into the solid rock. Now obviously this was thousands and thousands of years ago, but it's just rocks like this that carve this. And so this is a perfect one. Here's a little mini one, and we got them. You can see in this one how smooth this really is, and how long ago it was carved and then smoothed down by water. Right in here, this one's like a perfect circle with there's like 4 frogs in there. And so they're called potholes. It's a pretty cool area geologically and historically things, just how long this water has been flowing and how strong water really can be. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pam, where'd you go? Oh, there's stairs here. There's a hole right there.
Of course, he's going to find something to climb around.
I'm going in.
Uh-oh. Oh my god. Do I need to get a leash for you right now?
That's my mom.
I know.
Are you okay?
Yeah, let me just eat this banana really
Yeah.
quick. Okay.
It goes down.
Really?
There's like a wall right here, but then it goes down. Can I have your phone?
Yeah.
Thanks. And then actually, I'll take the camera too. I'll show everybody what's down here as I see it. Hi, Emily. Okay, it's smaller. There's a wall right here. I would have never known. And then it goes down there. All right. Well, you have fun in the rain.
Where's my hat?
You got to film me getting out though,
Okay.
in case I
In case
struggle.
yeah, exactly.
I don't know the best way to do this, but not to knock that on you. I probably went the other way. I should have gone the other way.
He's up.
I'm up. Worth it. Yeah, banana.
I put it down so you can definitely still
Oh,
use
this
it.
is yours?
Yeah.
Oh. Here's the other building.
Whoa.
Hey, it's finally time for dinner. This is what we made up. Got some sausages with peppers and cheese. What time? Maybe
20.
8:20, so it's a late dinner. We're gonna eat and go to bed. We're gonna get up early tomorrow and get some good pictures in the sun, hopefully. So, yeah. Yeah, today is much different than yesterday. It is bright, sunny, windy. Got Emily her coffee. I got my hot cocoa, French vanilla.
Cappuccino.
How'd you sleep?
Okay.
Got cold.
I got cold.
Once the sun was out, the wind. Woo! It's like hailing acorns.
Oh my god!
All right. So yeah, once the sun came out in the morning, it heated up our tent and it was nice and warm and we didn't want to get up. Now it is a absolutely beautiful day. We woke up
The
to,
perfect fall day.
where are we going?
To the waterfall. It's a 4-mile hike, I think.
Really?
Round trip.
4 miles.
Round
Okay.
trip.
Once we get down there, it should be pretty cool. But really just try to enjoy it and spend a great fall day at Banning State Park. So
Drink your coffee. I'm almost done with this.
What are you doing down there? I turn around for 1 second and he's underneath some rocks. What are you doing?
Look at these crayfish.
Oh,
Look
they're
how blue
huge.
they're blue too. See that?
Why is it blue?
Could be different things. I know that there's like super rare blue lobsters, but these aren't exactly the same. But look at those quads. Bananas are overrated. Underrated. Underrated. They're good. I don't eat them very often. Look at that.
It's a little tougher, not too bad.
Okay.
Okay, good.
You two made it this far, you can probably make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to a spot where there's like cliff and water, and that was nothing.
Oh.
So unless you want to walk through the water.
Was it deep? We need to get that way. So we got our shoes off, boots off. Luckily, it's not too cold. Slippery? Okay, just be careful. Once we get to the flat part, it'll be all right. How is it? Good job. Yep, we'll finish. It's all right. How much do you think? We gotta get to that rock to survive. Survival. Come up here, babe. You're in the deep. It's okay. Come right up there. You got it, the deep part. There you go. Get up to that. Okay, well, I need to get someone.
Okay, sorry.
Good job. You have shorts along, right?
No.
It's all right.
It's not that cold.
No.
I don't care.
We have to climb up that to get on the ledge and then go around. Good?
Yep.
Good. All right, now we just got to get up here. That'll be
Oh,
fine.
just.
Yeah, no, that'll be
Not
fine.
just. Are we gonna put our shoes back on?
I don't know yet. All right, so we thought we could get through by walking in the water. We got around the corner. I even lifted Emily up onto the shelf. Around the corner, it was a dead end. You are so short.
Sorry. Let me just grow.
Yeah. Luckily, we found kind of a cool place to go. So we're gonna try to get up on top and find these water buckets. So that is our plan to get up.
No.
Can you stand? You can stand right here, right?
Yeah. Once you boost me.
Sure. Got it? So graceful. Hold me up.
Okay.
Hey, cutie. You're like a little troll. Who's in my forest? All right, we're in.
You made it.
Now you gotta get out of there.
Okay.
Can you do it?
I think so.
Here you go. Look at you.
Might have to give me a boost on my foot.
Okay.
Am I really hurt?
No. Got it? Worked.
Made it.
There it is.
You can probably just step out of there, can't you? Like nothing. Like nothing.
Ooh, we were just down there. Can you get over there? Which is where we needed to go an
right.
hour ago.
Oh well. Adventure.
Adventure. Alright, I think we found it. You see it? I know, we're tired. It's been a long day. We've hiked a lot, climbed a lot of rocks, looked at a lot of pretty trees.
Waded in a lot of water.
We got a little bit wet, more than we wanted to. Yeah, we're pretty tired, but we have to drive home now.
Yep. Go to sleep at like 8.
Yeah, early bedtime tonight. Thank you guys for watching our video and coming along on our little trip with us. Keep Banning State Park in your mind for next fall, because it's
Perfect.
the best place to come to see fall colors. That's what I would say. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
So tight.